Optimization presented by Kate Sebastian. So, optimization is the process of finding maximum and minimum values of given constraints using calculus. So, for example, na optimization, the combined perimeter of a circle and rectangle is 100 inches. The length of the rectangle is twice its width. Find a dimension of each to minimize the total area. So, dito, dalawang shapes yung given, which is yung circle, radius, and the rectangle. So, since ang sabi dito is, yung sa rectangle, twice nun yung length, twice ng width yung length niya. So, x, and twice the width, so 2x, and so, given sa formula na yung combined perimeter ng dalawang shape is 100 inches. So, 2 pi r plus 6x, since apat yung sides ng rectangle, equals to 100 inches. So, para mahanap yung total area, itong formula yung gagamitin. Yung sa circle, which is pi r squared, then plus 2x squared sa rectangle. So, ang solve natin is this one. So, itong 2 pi, papalitan lang siya ng decimal. So, magiging 6.28 r siya plus 6x equals 100. So, since sinasolve nga natin dito yung x, itatranspose lang. And then the x will be 16.7 minus 1.05r. So, mamaya, gagamitin to pang substitute dito sa x since yun nga yung nasa formula. So, yun. Yung pi r, and papalitan lang natin ulit siya ng decimal, which is 6.28 r. 6.28 r. Then, 2 times 2, so 4. Then, yung x, so, substitute nga natin, which is, ito na yung value ng x. So, substitute. Then, derivative na itong nasa loob, which is itong negative 1.05. Then, didistribute lang dito yung 4. And dito, sa term na to, and dito rin. And then, combine like terms lang. Then, ang lalabas dyan is 10.69r minus 70.1.4 equals here. So, the radius will be equals to 6.56. Then, yung x is equals to 9.81. So, since dalawang shape nga, so yung isa is r, which is yung radius para sa circle. Then, yung x is equals to 9.81. So, yun yung para sa rectangle.